Yeah.
Hmm. Hello everyone. Today we have सादिक जो कि आज बताएंगे एमएससी ऑपरेशनल रिसर्च दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में कैसा है और क्या कैसे है। जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चों को मेरे पास क्वेरी आया था, तो वो लोग पूछ रहे थे कि लाइक सर मुझे ओआर के बारे में, क्योंकि मुझे तो पता है नहीं। मैंने डी यू से एमएससी नहीं कर, मतलब ना तो एमएससी किया है ना ही मैंने एक्चुअली ओआर का ज़्यादा मुझे पता है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का। तो मैंने फिर सादिक को कांटेक्ट किया एंड सादिक एग्रीड टू हैव अ लाइव सेशन। तो आप सबके है ना क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देंगे और पहले ही बताएंगे कि डीयू में ओआर में कैसा है, कोर्स कैसा है, प्लेसमेंट कैसा है, या कॉलेज में क्लासेस का कैसा है, एक बार जो भी हो सकता है इन्फॉर्मेशन। तो आई थिंक सबसे पहले मैं चाहूंगा सारी करके थोड़ा अपने बारे में बता दो, आप कहाँ से हो, कैसे कैसे पढ़ाई किया, अभी तक का क्या जर्नी रहा है ब्रीफली।
Everyone. As you know, my name is Sadiq and I'm pursuing currently Masters in Operational Research from Hindu College. And I've completed my graduation from University of Delhi itself in DSIM Mathematical Sciences. I'm basically from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and currently I'm studying Populational Research at Hindu College.
ओके।
So, okay, so we can start now, or why we should join MSc Operational Research in Hindu College. So first of all, that one question arises into the mind of a student: what is operational research, and what is the meaning of operational research? So OR stands for operational research. That is the field of optimization. But what is the meaning of optimization? For example, you are a owner of a supermarket, uh, like a Walmart or Big Bazaar, and you have a limited budget, and you have to allocate these limited budget into the goods, and you have to purchase the goods by the limited budget, so that no customer will return with empty hand, and everything will be available in the empty number, so that each customer who come into the store can buy the thing and plenty number of goods. So how you can manage and how you can allocate this budget? So that is a particular problem of inventory management, and that is a sub part of operational research. So OR was originated in Second World War by the UK Air Force, when the UK Air Force had some plenty number of fighter planes and a plenty number of fighter pilots. So they had to assign those fighter planes into those pilots, so that they can win the World War II. So from then and there, OR was originated. So OR is basically nothing but the subject optimization, how you can fetch the maximum output, or how you can fetch the maximum profit from the minimum cost. That is the main purpose, or that is the layman language example or layman language definition of operational research. So that is operational research. So you must have heard supply chain management, logistics, data science, business analytics. These are the subsets of operational research. So in India, there are very few universities or college which offer courses in operational research, basically master courses. I can name some of them: Aligarh Muslim University, University of Delhi, and IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is quite difficult to enter into the course of master operational research. You have to clear the gate or JAM examination. So if you talk about CUET or center level examination, so you can get into AMU, Aligarh Muslim University, and number one is University of Delhi. So in University of Delhi, what are the colleges that offers the course of OR in master? First of all is Hindu College. So Hindu College is the NIRF rank one in co-ed education, and all the college by which the course is offered come into the NIRF top 20 ranking. Second one is Hansraj College. That is also a top ranker college by NIRF. Third one is Kirodimal College. Fourth one is Ramjas. And fifth one is Department of Operational Research in North Campus, that is situated into a building of Faculty of Mathematical Sciences. Another one is last college that by which the course is offered is South Campus. So these are the preferences, and these are the colleges and departments by which the course is being offered. And if we talk about the fees structure, so fees is very nominal. Fees lies between 10,000 to 25,000. The higher the highest fees has Hindu College, that is around 20 to 20 22 to 25,000, and the least has South Campus, that is around 10,000. So fees lies between 10,000 to 25,000. So fees is really nominal, and this is the not semester fees, this is yearly fee. And if we talk about the syllabus is quite good. you are going to study the subject like inventory management, Python, statistics, and the subject that is widely used into the field of data science, business analytics, database management system, econometrics, that is a subject of machine learning, supply chain management, data mining, and there are a lot of subjects. Those will help you to build your career into the field of optimization or data analytics domain. So, sir, please give me permission so I can show you the syllabus, a brief syllabus of OR.
I think you can share. You don't have access.
Yes, sir, I will share the screen. Okay, just give me a second. Uh, Sir, I'm unable to share my screen.
Okay, let me give you. Yes, now you can share. I think now you can share. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So as you can see, this is the first semester syllabus, the subject that you are going to study into the first semester. That is the five subject and a practical paper. You can see the Python programming language, statistics, that is the main or major subject into the field of optimization. Or today, data science is the sexiest job according to the 21st century, according to the report of Oxford University. So the statistics and Python programming language is the base of data science or business analytics. So you are going to study these major subjects with the ease in the Master of Operational Research. As along with these subjects, you are going to study linear programming that is widely used into the field of logistics, transportation, assignment, inventory management. That is a quite good subject. Coin system, that is stochastic management system, and another one is statistics and Python. In second semester, you're going to study convex and discrete optimization. That is a basically widely used into the field of formulation of business problems, scheduling techniques, marketing management, and I can say Master of Operational Research is not a basic MSc in OR or MSc in mathematics. Prior 2019, it was MSc of Operational Research, and after 2019, it was changed into the name of Master of Operational Research, and it added value after changing the name into the Master of Operational Research. It is equivalent to technical MBA. And there is another subject is econometric modeling and forecasting. You're going to learn about the basic of machine learning into the econometrics and modeling forecasting and database management system. That is also important subject for the data science. In third semester, there are mathematical programming, reliability and maintenance theory, software engineering, and a lot of options are being there, like healthcare management, revenue management, supply chain management. You must have heard the name of supply chain management. That is a boom in today's market. Financial management. And in fourth semester, you have a lot of option or elective subject, and you have to choose three subjects. Like you can see there are a lot of quality management, decision model, data warehousing, and data modeling. That is a really great subject if you're going into the field of machine learning. It will help you a lot. Data warehousing, data mining, you will learn about the machine learning, basically all the operations about the data, portfolio optimization, stochastic processes. So this is the brief syllabus, and I will share the PDF so that you can learn about the described syllabus about the OR, and this is a brief. So this is the syllabus about the OR. So now we talk about the placement. So what is the average package and what is the median and what is the ROI, return on investment, how much money you are going to invest and how much return you will fetch. So I'm going to share the report shared by the placement cell of operational research, and you will learn what is the placement reports and what are the scene of placements after the placement report. So, okay, this is the placement of last year, the batch that went in 2023. You can see the average package is around 12.2 lakh per annum. Median is around 11.20 lakh per annum. And number of recruiters is 30 plus recruiters. And highest is 19.7 CTC. And there are, you can also see the prominent recruiters. Those come for recruitment in our campus for the placements. That is Extria, Gardner, and some wide firms in the world: Citibank, Mastercard, ZS, Fractal, Moody's, Thorogood, Delivery, and a lot of prominent recruiters are there. Those used to come into our department for the placements. And you can also see the profiles: data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, OR analyst, risk analyst, supply chain analyst. So you must have heard about the names because these are the really popular names. Those came into the fame after the year 2017 to 2018, because in today's world data is the fuel of 21st century. So these are really popular, or these are really interesting jobs are there into the market, and you will learn a lot of money after the experience of 2 to 3 years. So this is the basic package, and this is the average and median package. So if you talk about the ROI, that is return on investment, so the highest fees is around 25,000 per annum, and you will invest 50,000 for 2 years. And if you get the package around average package, that is 12.2 lakh, so the ROI is really great. Return on investment is really higher than what you are going to invest and what you are going to receive. So if you talk about the ROI, so ROI, and if you compare with the IM, and if you're going to take the admission in some IM, you have to clear the CAT examination, and then and there you will get into the IM and baby IMs. The fees is around 12 to 15 lakh for the baby IMs, and you will invest around 20 to 25 lakh for the 2 years. And here in Department of OR, you are going to invest only 50,000, and you will get the package around 12 to 15 lakh, and medians allow around 11 lakh. So ROI is really great. And the profiles, you can look at the profiles. Profiles are also demanding in the today's market. So it is the placement report of 2023 batch. Now it is the placement report of 2022 batch. You can also see the average package is around 12.5 lakh, minimum is 7 lakh, and the number of recruiters 60 plus. And you can also see the prominent recruiter, those came and recruited are it recruited the students from the Department of OR, and the profiles are same: data analyst, data scientist. And you can also compare in 2020, the average package was 8.4 and the highest was 17.2. In 21, 9.2. So the placements are getting increased year by year, and average package is also getting increased. And these are the skills those are possessed by the students: Python, Excel, machine learning. So along of a lot of skills you are going to learn into your course curriculum that I have already discussed. SQL, you will learn SQL into the course. In machine learning, you will learn machine learning into the course. So this is a lot of skills you are going to learn into the course curriculum. So this is a placement report, or this is about the placement. So now talk about. So I'm just stop sharing my screen. For getting into the OR, you have to clear CUET examination, and that is not a difficult one. And after clearing CUET examination, you will get into the OR department. And one doubt that is very widely used and often asked by students to me, that if someone is getting Hindu college or if someone is getting Department of OR, so what is the difference between the college and what is the difference between the department? So I address the query. The main difference between the department and between the colleges, if someone is getting KMC or someone is getting Hindu college, Hantaraj college, someone is getting the South campus, so you will get the same degree. You're going to learn the same syllabus. You're going to you're going for the same placement, because the placement cell that is done is the Department of Operational Research placement cell is same for all the students who are going to get into the MOR, and the study and the teachers are also the same, the professors are also the same, the curriculum are also the same. The only difference that distinguishes the students of the OR department, students of the colleges, is alumni status. If you are going to, if you are getting Hindu college or any other colleges, so you will get, for Hansraj college, so you will be a notable alumni, or you will be a prestigious alumni of that particular college, and eventually you are the alumni of the department of OR. But if someone is getting the OR department of OR of South Campus, or either South Campus or North Campus, so you will simply the alumni of the department itself, not the colleges. So colleges are only for the facilities. If you are a college student, so you will go to the college, you will get an ID card, you will get an identity card of the college. You are a notable alumni of the college, and you will avail the facilities, that is sports facilities, canteen facilities, library facilities provided by the college. This is the only difference. But if you are a department student, you can also avail these services, because there are two libraries you will get the access. One is department library, that is situated into the department itself, and second one is Asia's second largest library, that is situated in the University of Delhi North Campus itself. So you will get the access of library of Center Science Library, that is situated in North Campus. So if you are a college student, so you will get eventually the access of the Department of OR Library and the Center Science Library and College Library. But if you are a department student, so you will get the access of Department Library and the Center Science Library, and the canteen and all the facilities are also available in the department. So this is the only difference, the alumni status, that distinguishes the students of OR department and students of college. And the fee structure is different, because the fees is less for the department. For North Campus last year it was around 7,000. For South Campus it was around 6,500, and for the college it is around it is 15,000 plus. So this is the only difference between the college and the department. So I just gave the brief introduction about the OR and why you should join OR. So now I can address the queries of the students.
यस, तो जिन लोगों को भी क्वेरी है तो आप अनम्यूट करके पूछ सकते हैं या चैट में लिख सकते हो, आपको जैसे प्रेफरेबल हो। जो एमएससी ओआर में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं, जो ले चुके हैं।
In so there is a query in chat. In your preference while applying for MOR, should I had put in DU college about depart? Okay. So this is up to you, because last year in my batch, some student got decent rank, uh, top 10 rank, but still got Department of War first preference. But mostly the common nature, the most common phenomena, student get college as first preference, then Department of North Campus as the second last preference, Department of South as the last preference. So the preference should be, if we talk about NIRF ranking, so your preference should be Hindu College, then Hansraj College, then Kirodimal College, then Ramjas College, then Department of War North Campus, and Department of War South Campus. That should be your preference. One of my friends said to put Department North Campus. So it is got allotted. Okay, so this is up to you, because usually uh, someone who got the higher marks will get the colleges, and the preference according to the preference that I have discussed, like Hindu, Hansraj, and after the colleges, the if the colleges are filled, then they start allocating North Campus, and after the North Campus, they start to allocate South Campus. I Sadiq, I'm not from coding background, so okay, no, 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 it's not a problem. You will learn from the basic. That is why Python is in our first semester, so that you can learn all about the coding. And the teacher is quite good. Professors are really knowledgeable, and they can teach you the manner you have never you have not taught before. So the teacher's knowledge is really quite good. So you can learn the basics of the Python. If you are not from the coding background, it doesn't matter you are from the coding background or you're from not the coding background. You will learn each and everything, because in my batch, most of the students were from math honors, so they don't know about the coding. What is the coding? And someone was not able to understand about the computer. So now today, each and every student are equal. So it is not an issue. You can opt for the course and you will learn coding, because Python is really interesting and really easy subject. I got Ramjas in second list. Should I apply for upgrade again? Yeah, if there is upgrade option, you can go for upgrade, because after Ramjas, if your preference, if Ramjas is your first preference, so you will not get upgraded college. But if your preference was Hindu or Hansraj above the Ramjas, so next allotment list, it is a possibility that you will get the Hansraj or Hindu college. What things one should learn beforehand, if not stats or not math background. So in my batch, some students were from commerce background, some from physics background, some for chemistry background. So it doesn't make any difference between someone who are from stats background, CS background. So just start learning the basics of linear programming problem, the basics of Python. So these are the things that will eventually help you into the course, because linear programming formulation and the how to solve linear programming formulation will help you in your each and every semester course, because LP and formulation of LP is usable in each and every semester. What MOR versus MC, which is better? Okay, so I cannot give a particular answer of this question, MOR versus MCA. If you are interested in computer science, you can go for MCA. If you are interested in operational research in the field of optimization, you can go for MOR, because in MOR, you will learn the optimization. This is a technical MBA. You will learn the optimization with the coding. And in MCA, there is purely coding. So it is up to you. If you are interested in computer science, hardcore computer science, you should go for MCA. But if you are interested in learning the business problems, basically, what are the kind of business problems you are going to learn? What are the optimization problems, case studies, and how to solve these case studies and business problems with computer science knowledge and with technicality? So you should go for MOR. This is a particular answer. So it is up to you. What is your interest? Can I change my preference now? My preference was no. You cannot change your preference before while applying for CUET examination. Preference was filled, so now you cannot change your preference. My first preference for Department of Operations and North Campus, which I got allotted. It doesn't make, as I discussed before, it doesn't make any difference, or it doesn't make any sense like you got Department of Operational Research and colleges are better than department. So it is not the point. I just gave the simple funda that if you are a college student, so you will get the different alumni status and eventually get the department status. But if you are department student, so you will get the department alumni status. So this is the only difference, and everything is same, because the placement cell, the teachers, the syllabus, the curriculum, the degree, rest are same. What about final sem? Do we have any paper? Okay. So in final semester, you have a lot of optional or elective papers. You have to choose three out of those, and you have a 200 marks that is equivalent to two papers, and you have to do a internship in any company, and you have to prepare a project, and on the basis of the project, your marks will be allotted. So there is a separate coursework or project work you have to complete it in 6 months, and that is equivalent to two papers or 200 marks. So there is a separate internship or project work. So basically, you have to find an internship under the guidance of any company, and on the basis of the internship that you have done in the company, you have to prepare a project. It was mentioned that classes will start from first. We don't have clue. But that is particular. Okay, so if you got the admission, and if you have paid the fees and admission was successful, so your WhatsApp group will be created and you will be added into WhatsApp group, because the time of applying the OR department, you have filled your contact number, so eventually you will add it into the WhatsApp group by the teachers or by the HOD of Department of OR. So you don't need to worry about that, because before September 1, you will get added into the WhatsApp group, and each and every information will be shared, and the timetable would also be shared. And if you want to know more about the classes and the timetable and the professors, then you can visit the Department of OR, that is situated the second floor of Faculty of Mathematical Sciences, opposite to the Dolaram College in North Campus. But don't worry, each and every information will be shared soon. And the classes will be start by September 1, as I have already uh, listened from the many students. So don't worry about that. And there will be a feasibility of 10 days. If you are from outstation, you can join by 10 days later. So that is not the point of concern. How many students are there in each section of MOR? So there are basically three sections. Okay, huh? Okay, so one most important query that was being often asked by the students. So the main difference, the classes are being conducted into the section. So there is basically three sections, section A, B, and C. South Campus has three sections. All the students are divided into the three sections, basically A, B, and C. In North Campus, we have two sections, A and B. In South Campus, are separate section C. So in North Campus, in section A or either in section A or either in section B, students of Hindu College, Hansraj College, Ramjas College, Chirodimel College, and Department of North Campus, and one more college that is for females, IP College for women. So section A and B are segregated into the half of the students. 50% are into the section A and 50% of the batch who are into the North Campus in section B, and a South Campus who was allotted the South Campus will get separate section in section C. So the classes are being conducted into the sections. Is it true that average package more than 10 lakh of MOR department? Okay, so this is not the point of question. The Department of Operational Research show you in their placement report the average package around 12.5 lakh. So this is the average package, and median package is around 11.2 lakh. So this should be the average or median package. Do we have to attend classes in final sem as well as those three papers because we'll going out of? Okay, so classes are not conducted more frequently. So in third semester, timetable will be really flexible. Uh, you have a 2 day weekend or you have 3 day weekend, and you have to join the classes not the daily basis. So this is, you don't worry about the timetable of classes because timetable is really flexible. In first semester, you have 5 day classes. In second semester, you have 5 days classes. In third or fifth semester, you have only 4 days classes, and classes are not being conducted on the daily basis. So don't worry about that. Timetable is really flexible. So you don't need to just prepare the project and prepare for the examination of the three subjects simultaneously. And timetable is really flexible. You will get plenty time for preparing the internship or preparing the project and taking the classes. Time is not an issue. What about hostel eligibility criteria for students? Okay, Aman. The hostel eligibility criteria is for students is uh, your your residence should not be in Delhi NCR. Your residence should be around more than 50 kilometers. Your residence should be 50 kilometers aparted from the Department of Operational Research, and there is a separate eligibility criteria for the student. They are basically four to five hostels, Mansarovar Hostel, PG Mains, and Goyer Hall for the post-graduation students and PhD scholars. So you will have to apply separately for those hostels, and if you fulfill the criteria, then there will be a separate merit list for the college on the basis of the your graduation marks, your rank, and your what score you have obtained your CUET examination. And if you fulfill the eligibility criteria, then you will be getting the hostel seat. And in post graduation MOR, there are very few seats in hostels. So if you are in top student and on the basis of your reservation or and on the basis of your quota, so you will get the hostel seat.
Okay. So I think one question a student usually asks, so statistics versus operation research. So from the university perspective, so what is better? I mean, so last time Aliza was asked
Okay,
this question and she said statistics is much better. So student was disappointed from her view. But what is your view?
okay. So we cannot say particularly that statistics is better, MC is better, or the OR is the best. If I am studying the OR, I will surely say OR is the best among all the courses versus MBA versus MCA versus statistics. But as I can say that I have said earlier, if you are interested into the statistics, because I have gone through the syllabus of statistics, mathematics, and computer science before getting into the OR. The syllabus of mathematics and statistics is purely research based. If you are interested into the research, if you are going into the field of research, or if you are going after the course, if you want to go into the PhD, so you should opt for math, CS, and statistics. And if you are interested into studying the interesting business problems, case studies, and the things those are around you, like coin theory, inventory management. If you study the subject of OR, so you will realize that things are happening around you. So if you are studying, if you are interested in business, if you are interested in coding, so this is the technical MBA, equivalent to technical MBA. And if you are interested into a job after your master's, so you should surely go for MOR. And if you are interested, if someone is from, because in my batch, many of the students who are from the statistics background and joined MOR, and they also got the offer from the MSc statistics, and they leave the course because they are not interested into the core, into the research based syllabus. In statistics, I have gone through the syllabus. The syllabus is really typical. It is for the students who came from the statistics background and who are interested into studying the
One
research
minute.
based,
I
because
would
they
say
don't have any core
join again.
subject.
This meeting will end. So I will say everyone to join again with the same link. Yeah, Sadiq, you can continue. This will end soon. Actually, 14-minute limit is there.
Yes,